Are you excited? Your parents are about to be pulling up any minute now.
You stole my jacket.
I did. I stole Andrew's jacket. Oh, you're... Andrew.
Yeah, I know.
They just made it. Hi, guys.
We didn't scrape the car.
I know. I was nervous for a second.
No, Andrew told me.
Oh, good. I'm glad he did.
Hi.
Andrew, are you going to say hi to your parents?
Yeah. Welcome to all of our toys.
Hello.
Sorry, I wasn't on camera proper.
Oh, no, you're fine.
We when we were coming down, the road. We're like, we'll just look for all the trucks. We don't
Yeah,
even know
literally.
the actual address.
Except Andrew hides this one in the garage.
Well, it stays nice and warm, and then in the morning I just jump in it and I go.
Oh, ironically, my parent is calling me.
It's
Hello, father.
her dad.
They asked for sloppy tacos.
No, we're going to Bad Daddy's.
Chris can't eat anything that has flavor in it.
Well, then
No.
why did somebody recommend or suggest
Because
taco?
I like it, and I thought I might get away with it. Go straight.
I looked, I was like, oh my gosh, you're like literally right off.
It reminds me of how close we were to the turnpike.
Yes.
This reminds me of that,
When you're
there's a, Ringling Brothers. That's what the circus place is for.
Andrew.
You just put her. What?
Big burger.
I can't believe you just.
there's a dead wreck.
What'd you get, Scott? You got the Vicious?
The Vicious, yeah, it came with a lot of jalapeno, which does not, they fight with my stomach. I
And
lose.
shrimp and grits.
Shrimp and grits.
It looks really good.
It does. It smells really good.
That was a big, big screw. Oh, yeah.
Oh my word. Nope.
This is where you're going to do that thing that says a few moments later.
Literally, yeah.
And Chris is already done with her task.
Yeah, come on, Scott. Why are you taking so long?
Not all the way, but like over here.
I mean, eventually, yeah.
A few moments later.
I don't know, we'll see what happens. It'll be kind of funny.
It'll be kind of fun.
Are you closer?
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Done.
Heck yeah. Good job, Scott.
Yeah, big cut, yeah.
Good job. Big proud of you.
Coming out.
I didn't realize it was this hard to take a fence apart. I'm gonna bend to the pry bar before I bend to the...
It just doesn't.
Yeah.
Big strong.
Well, being big and strong is one thing. Having any aim is another. Let's see.
That got it.
Go Whistles! Woo! Alright, looks like you've got this.
You're doing great, Scott.
Give us an S. Give us a C.
Yeah, great.
Right out of the ground.
Oi.
I mean, it's working. What he just did right there.
Yeah, he did.
Kind of worked.
Push it out.
Yay! For some context, because I totally forgot to mention this, we're bringing a shed in here and we need about 9 feet of space, and with the 2 doors open, we only had like 6. So basically we have to take this whole part of the fence down to get it in here, and it comes on Tuesday, so.
So, where does it end? Oh, camera did. Oh, look at that. It even
Perfect.
straddles the system.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying when I was like, exactly. Just like that.
So now...
Bruh.
Yeah, you need a better battery. Or how about just a...
Well, Andrew doesn't leave him on the charger, he just puts him in the drawer, but I can grab another one.
You have to blame everything on the boy.
Well, that's because mostly everything's his fault.
Yeah, usually the men is the problem.
It got warmer than I thought it would.
Okay.
Okay, more lifting.
All right, so this is the moment of truth part, whether or
Yeah.
not this silly charade works.
It
So
will. We
just
got
don't
this.
pick up too high. And I can always move this a little.
Perfect.
I'm just standing on the ladder.
I'm just gonna stand out of the way.
Oh, the ladder's bending. The ladder's bending. It's not moving the post. FYI.
Maybe we need reinforcements for the ladder.
It is kind of nuts trying to do it this way. Here,
Oh,
I'll
I
tell you
understand.
what. Well, the first thing we need to do is get rid of the ladder because the ladder is really cute. But you're right. We don't want to break the ladder.
Nope.
So the jack stand will sit on top of this. So now we need to take these and build it up so that the jack can sit on it.
All right, try number 2.
Time for the big reveal.
Move that bus!
Be my guest.
Oh my gosh, it's working.
All right, give me just a second, honey.
You're doing great. Inward.
No, this is like really easy. This is like
It's
super
coming
easy.
right out of the ground.
I'm barely even touching it now.
Oh my gosh. Scott, you are so smart. This was a fantastic idea. Wow.
This is so much less difficult. Okay, at some point, hang on one second. We're gonna the concrete is gonna collide with our
yeah.
Yeah, so don't move for the moment. I'm just gonna use a shovel because I don't want to stick my hand under there. Ask me how I learned how to do that. So the next question is that I hadn't thought about yet is when you release that and it comes down, the whole thing is just gonna come straight down.
But at least
But
it's
it'll be
loose.
Oh, you know what? At some point, if we can get a little higher, do we have another one of these?
Maraca.
I have a sledgehammer if you prefer that.
Okay.
Oh! Man, I'm glad I got that on video.
Glad you're wearing a belt.
Then I would have been demonetized.
Yeah, where's the camera? Oh, hey there.
On your butt.
Okay, because this is going to come crashing down.
Okay,
It's
do
gonna
you
come
want to
smacking you
hold?
in the
Do you want to
face.
move the jack? Is Chris
No.
and I push
No.
that?
Because I'm kind
You
of
can just
holding
leave
it
the
now.
jack alone, it's okay. It's just a jack. Yeah.
There you go.
It's not moving anymore with that. Yeah.
Yeah, I just don't want to fall on Nicole's feet. There we go.
Yeah, Nicole's boots are not steel toe boots.
Yeah. Hey, my Birks aren't either.
It's out.
That was so much nicer than it could have been.
Wow.
You know, if we...
You're late to the party.
Oh yeah.
Okay, come on. Well, now we're gonna put you to work.
Nice. There you go.
Oh, well, there you go.
All right, stop.
We did it. Hooray!
They could.
Temporarily covering the hole.
We'll figure it out.
We're just going on another adventure.
It's funny, we live in Florida. Let's go to the beach. We're in South Carolina.
You gonna come out here and go fishing?
There's not many people out. It's kind of nice.
Yeah. Hey, turd. See, I knew it would be less windy down here.
Yes. You gotta take your hat off.
Oh, yeah. Did everyone smile? He's getting in touch with his water self.
Earth.
The person that
Wind. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? We're at the beach. nuts. The ground got me. Ground 1, Kris 0.
Yep. Kris, you forgot to ask them to turn it on.
Turn what on?
We can
The
find
fountain.
Oh my gosh, no way.
It's a non-fountain fountain.
Yep. So that's what it would look like. Just imagine there's water.
Okay.
Like the tide path thing by your house.
I told him to get a cup of us and their Snuggies again. Because we're twinning them. To see how hers looks bigger because I'm taller than her?
Oh yeah, just it's a little lower. That's funny.
Seat warmers.
At all? Okay.
You have actual money?
I will.
That's a long avocado. I can't get over that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay, we were leaving to go to the grocery store, and then we were passing the place that we bought our shed from that's gonna be delivered on Tuesday, and I spotted it, so I made everyone stop so that we can look at it. There she is, in all her glory. Oh, the key's just hanging on the door. Look at that. Very cool. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, I love how big the window is.
That's a great space.
So cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be in our backyard on Tuesday.
$20 a pound.
I would get that then.
That's probably enough at this point.
How many Gowers does it take to check out at a grocery store? It's starting to snow. Andrew, do you want me to open your door for you?
Get in the car.
All right, the snowstorm is here.
What the hell?
It's a little cold.
Oh, it's very windy.
Very windy.
Come check out the grill.
Oh boy.
I don't know what the temperature is. Freezing, I guess, is the temperature. But now, oh, there you go. Now I can see it. For a minute, we can see it.
Oh, wow.
Is it accumulating on my head?
You want to go touch the snow?
It's starting to look. Dad's head's getting on there
Oh,
too.
yeah. That's so funny.
Aww. Andrew, show me your shoes.
My shoes?
Yeah.
What about them?
Show me them.
We left you a nice beer patch.
Bye, be safe. If anything
Love you.
crazy starts happening on the roads, just turn back around.
Okay.
And then we'll unpack everything again. He went just about almost all the way down the driveway and then backed in. So
Oh, really?
There's like no ice.
I think what he's worried about is that there's more clearance back here
Yeah.
than there is in the front of the car.
Yeah, that's why. Might as well just go backwards from there.
Yeah.
Four-wheeling it.
Yep. Yeah, there you go.
Love you.
Too.
Bye bye, Peowins. Bye.